As you enter our Toyota Prius, like all Toyota products, we use the highest quality material. So you'll notice on the dashboard, we've got a nice textured material. Very high quality, it's going to last a long time. We've also got 2 glove boxes. So great storage capabilities available in that top glove box as well as the bottom glove box. The materials used on the seat are of the highest quality and will last a very long time because they're so durable. Now, when it comes to Toyota interiors, our systems are ergonomic and very user-friendly. You'll see your HVAC system, your heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system very easily laid out and recognizable here. Both the driver and the passenger have equal access to this. And then, of course, a Toyota tradition. We've individually stocked our cruise control and our wiper control. The reason we do that is we don't want to clutter one stock. So we use individual stocks for the cruise control, conveniently located here on the right of the steering wheel, and we've got our windshield wiper control. So you can have ease of use with all of this. Now, very unique to our Prius is our gear selector right here. You simply push a button to turn this vehicle on, and then you simply use this as you would a joystick almost. It's so futuristic, it really matches the car. Now, to highlight futuristic, I'd like to power up this vehicle and highlight the dashboard. You'll see the Welcome to Prius sign as we light it up, and then look at how futuristic that looks. It's going to tell you what your vehicle's running off of. Now, this vehicle is powered up, but you'll notice there's no engine noise because the internal combustion engine is not running. This vehicle is ready to operate exclusively on electric right now because our batteries are charged. So there's an environmental impact that is really tangible. We're not burning any fuel right now. We're not creating any pollution right now, even though our vehicle is turned on and ready to go. So, when it comes to futuristic, no automobile in the industry can match this Prius for futuristic and advanced technologies. Now, as I turn this vehicle off and I come back around and rejoin you, we're going to work our way through the rest of this vehicle and highlight some of the load capabilities available on this Prius. The Prius has capabilities for 5 adults. So, we've got great room on the interior as well as great design on the exterior. As I mentioned earlier, as that wind flows across this car, we're looking to manage that wind, that 0.25 coefficient of drag. This standard rear spoiler brings that air cleanly off the back of the vehicle to reduce turbulence, which reduces drag, which improves fuel economy, which is environmentally positive. Now, this vehicle has some benefits too, being a liftback. This liftback design means we've got a lot of usable space inside. The Prius is deceptively large inside. For such a well-packaged exterior, you get a lot of room on the interior. But if you need more, you can always just simply reach in and drop those second row seats to gain more access and more cargo capacity. If you have any specific items that you want to hide underneath the floor, you've got a great large storage area in the back of this vehicle as well. Now, underneath the vehicle is really exciting because Toyota always engineers to the fullest extent. Now, most hybrids wouldn't have you look underneath the car, but at Toyota, we encourage complete discovery in this vehicle. Because of our attention to detail, you look underneath the vehicle and you'll see we've given windage trays almost across the entire back end of the vehicle. Now, windage trays are going to make for better aerodynamics, and we talked earlier about having an industry-leading 0.25 coefficient of drag. We go so far as to include those fins, which are teardrop shaped. So earlier I told you that that is the most aerodynamic shape in the automotive industry. We include those on our windage trays. So commitment to excellence, definition of detail, that's what we're looking at underneath this Prius. Now, as we stand up, we've got great stories on the interior, and we end up where we started, back here at the back of the Prius, with our Toyota emblem. Now, our hybrid Toyota emblem adds that blue tint, that blue element that shows that we are working for that hybrid customer, that Toyota commitment to quality, durability, reliability, and advanced technologies. This vehicle is available to view at Stokes Brown Toyota in Hilton Head, South Carolina, or visit us online at www.stokesbrowntoyotahh.com. Thank you for your interest in our 2010 Toyota Prius.